Magic Bee. Today we're going to draw a scenery as well as we're going to learn some facts about our Earth. Let's get started. Do you know ants weigh more than humans on Earth? It's shocking, right? Let's see how it's calculated. The combined weight of ants on the planet is higher than all human beings. The world has over 7 billion people and 100 trillion ants. Cows kill more people than sharks. Hard to believe, but true. Sharks kill an average of 5 people per year, while on the other hand, cows kill on average of 22 people per year. Only 1% of the Earth's water is safe for human consumption. NASA satellites monitor lots of things about our Earth, including soil moisture. Food is the fuel that keeps our bodies running. It gives us the energy to do all the things we like to do. It's pretty important stuff. That's why NASA is interested in making sure that there is enough for everyone. NASA has a team of satellites that keeps a close eye on the Earth. These satellites can collect lots of information about our home planet. Do you feel it's interesting? Please share and subscribe. Also check out my other videos. See you in next video. Magic Bee.